enlightened consumer is an empowered consumer. With this quotation, a glorious morning to honorable principal delegates and all my dear lads and lads. I, Jasmine Wick, and my colleagues on behalf of class 11th is here to host today's special morning assembly on Consumer Day. A new day begins with a new thought, new strength, and endless possibilities. So here is Master Samman for the thought of the day.
The thought is for us, our most important stakeholders is not our stockholders, it is our customers. I repeat my thought for us, our most important stakeholders are not stockholders, it is our customers.
Today myself Ashdeep Kaur is here to present an article on Consumer Day. A consumer. As we all know that a consumer forms a very important part in the economy of a country. However, at times the consumer may get exploited. Keeping this aspect in view, the Government of India has taken several steps. Every year 24th December is observed as the National Consumer Day. On this day, the National Consumer Protection Act 1986 has received the assent of the President. The enactment of this act is seen as a historic milestone in the consumer movement of the country. The Consumer Protection Act provides the consumers with effective safeguards against different types of exploitation such as defective goods, deficiency in supply, and unfair trade practices. Under this act, the consumers have the right to be informed about the quantity, quality, and standard and prices of the goods or services. They have the right to seek redressal against the unfair trade practices. This year, the Consumer Day is celebrated with the theme, The Sustainable Consumer.
ग्राहक जागो, आया नया सवेरा देखो, जब भी कोई चीज खरीदो उसे ठीक से जांचो परखो, अगर लगे कुछ दाल में काला दुकानदार हो धोखे वाला, जानो अपने अधिकारों को, अपने हक पहचानो, बेईमानों को सबक सिखाओ, ग्राहक अब तो जागो, जागो ग्राहक 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 जागो। Be a smart consumer. Assert your rights, pursue remedies. जागो ग्राहक जागो।
जागो ग्राहक जागो, जागो ग्राहक जागो, जागो ग्राहक जागो।
क्या आपको पता है शुक्ला जी की बेटी की शादी होने वाली है?
हाँ, मुझे भी पता है, मुझे न्योता आया है।
हाँ, हमें भी न्योता आया है, शायद 22 तारीख को।
हाँ।
कविता बेटी सुनती हो, तुम्हारी 22 तारीख को शादी है। तुम्हारी शादी के लिए हमें जेवर खरीदने जाना है, चलो बाजार।
माँ मुझे नहीं जाना, मैं टीवी देखने जा रही हूँ।
भगवान क्या होगा इस लड़की का। अरे शुक्ला जी सुनते हो?
मैं अपने ऑफिस का काम कर रहा हूँ, तुम ही इधर आ जाओ।
शुक्ला जी बेटी का ब्याह आ गया है, गहने खरीदने हैं, चलिए आप।
तो इसको ले जाओ ना।
इसने जाने से इनकार कर दिया है।
पता नहीं क्या होगा इस लड़की का।
आप चलिए ना शुक्ला जी, आप फोन भाव करने में नंबर 1 है।
अच्छा जी चलो।
नमस्ते सेठ जी।
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
कैसे हैं आप?
बस बढ़िया, आपकी मेहर है। आप बताइए कैसे आना हुआ?
हमारी बिटिया की शादी है, कुछ सुंदर से गहने दिखा।
अरे कविता बेटिया की शादी?
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
कब तक की?
22 तारीख को।
चलिए मैं कविता बेटी के लिए गहने लेकर आता हूँ, आप बैठिए। ये देखिए, ये देखिए।
नहीं नहीं,
ये देख लीजिए।
ना ये अच्छे नहीं लग रहे।
मैं आपको एक लेटेस्ट डिजाइन, ये देखिए।
ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा हमारी रानी बेटी पर। ये कितने का है?
ये तो सिर्फ 60,000 का।
ये तो बहुत महंगा है।
महंगा? जागो ग्राहक जागो, जागो जागो ग्राहक जागो। इस किट के माध्यम से हम सब आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि बिना हॉलमार्क देखे कोई भी सोने का गहना ना खरीदे, एमआरपी से ऊपर प्राइस ना दें और सामान खरीदने से पहले उसकी एक्सपायरी डेट ज़रूर चेक कर लें। Now, here are some of my friends, classmates. They will aware you about the rights and duties of a customer. Thank you very much.
First, safety is everyone's right. While using many goods and services, we have the right to be protected against the marketing of goods and delivery of services that are hazardous to life and property. Second, information about goods and services. Consumers have the right to inform about the particular of goods and services that they purchase. Consumer can then complain or ask for the compensation if the product proves to be defective. Third, when choice is denied, any consumer who receives a service in whatever capacity, regardless of age, gender, and nature of service, have the right to choose whether to receive the service.
Right to consumer education means to acquire knowledge and skills to be an informed consumer. Ignorance of consumer, particularly of rural consumer, lead to their exploitation. They should know about their rights and must exercise them. Fifth, right to be heard. Right to be heard means consumer interest will receive due consideration at appropriate forum. It also includes right to be present at various forums formed to consider consumers' welfare. Sixth, right to seek redressal. Right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices and exploitation. If any damage is done to a consumer, then they has the right to complain about it and they will get the compensation depending on the degree of damage. Thank you.
Today I am going to tell you about consumer responsibilities. Various efforts have been made by the government and non-government organizations to protect the interests of the consumers. But the exploitation of consumer will stop only when consumer himself will come forward to safeguard his own interest. For this, they have to bear some rights, which are: first, consumer must exercise his own rights. Consumer must select the products according to his preferences, and he must file a complaint if he is not satisfied with the quality of the product. Second, the consumer should not blindly trust on the words of the seller. He must insist on full information of the product about its quality and quantity. Third, consumer must be quality conscious. Next, to file a complaint and getting compensation, the consumer must ask for a cash memo. Next, form consumer societies which could play an important role in educating consumers and safeguarding their interests.
We both are here to present a rhyme on consumers day. Give me the receipt, report bad activities, reduce, recycle, use the bicycle, drink Amul every day, be proud of Nescafe. What fun it is to eat and drink imported products. Hey, duties and obligations of consumer. Oh, what fun it is to be a proper consumer. Hey, duties and obligations of consumer. Oh, what fun it is to be a proper consumer.
The goal is to normalize trade relation based on sound science and consumer protection. With this wonderful thought, a very pleasant and fresh morning to everyone. I, Alok Singh, on behalf of Gurukul family, give a warm wishes on this important day, that is Consumer Day. As every year on 24th of December, observed as a Nation Consumer Day in India. This day provides an opportunity to an individual to highlight the importance of consumer movements and also need to make aware about the consumer rights and responsibility. So, by keeping in this mind, Gurukul family have also taken the initiative and tried to make you more aware and to make you more understand about the consumer rights and duties through this digital assembly. So, I request to everyone, please use your rights, fulfill your responsibility to protect yourself as a consumer towards this exploitation which is done by this people. Thank you. Have a nice day.